When must taxes be paid for the IRA or the employer-sponsored retirement?
That's a good question. Anytime you take a withdrawal from that IRA or the qualified plan, you're subject to taxation. Let's say we take a withdrawal, we got $500,000, we're 70 and a half, so we don't have to worry about the 10% penalty. And we decide to take $50,000 from our IRA. Okay. Now, of course, that satisfies the RMD as well, okay, because you exceeded the percentage that IRS demanded or mandated you take out. Okay. All right, so you take $50K. Now, for this, say, this tax year, January or February, you'll receive what we call the following year a 1099, which would reflect the distribution that you've taken out of your IRA. Now, that information, of course, is sent to IRS, and they expect that to be counted in as ordinary income. It goes along with your income from other sources, but this $50K now is also subject to taxation, and all of it. That's why they count it as ordinary income.